welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I am back with a very highly requested video. Ever since I did my Louis Vuitton unboxing about a year ago, I've been getting tons of comments and questions about the wear and tear after 1 year, as well as what fits inside. So I have a video for you guys with like a little combination of both, and I also have an amazing giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you guys keep on watching so that way you can see what my giveaway is. Also, if you guys are new around here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click on that bell so that way you get notifications when I upload new videos. So this is my purse. It is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull PM. It's in the monogram print, and I absolutely love this purse. I use it every single day, and I've had this for about a year. Absolutely love it. I know a lot of people say that this looks like the MM size, but no, it's definitely the PM. I did have the MM size maybe like 2 years ago, and I ended up selling it because it was just a little bit too big. It used to like sag down here, and it would like lose its shape when I filled it up with a lot of things. This is one reason why I really like the PM size, because even though it is packed and it is super heavy, you can't really see it like just sagging and losing its shape under here. It's just perfect. So I really love that about the PM size. I also like that it's not too big and bulky. I just don't like how it looks. It just tends to keep its shape so much better when it is in the PM size. My only complaint is that the handles here are not as like long as I would want them to. I mean, I can still definitely fit my arm through here, but it just doesn't have like that much of a space like I would want it to. But other than that, I love it, and I highly recommend the PM size if you don't like something too big and bulky. So the overall wear and tear this past year, I think it has, you know, stood up pretty well for everything that it's been through this past year. I mean, obviously the leather here is a little bit softer. I actually like it better now. And also the trim around it has definitely patinaed quite a bit, but that's very normal in all Louis Vuitton, especially when they have this vachetta lining. That's very normal. It's kind of like a honey color right now, and I actually like it. It's actually better than when it was just like a little bit too white. So the interior of my purse is this beautiful pink fuchsia color, and I forgot what other color this one comes in, but they definitely don't have it in the rose ballerine, which I really wanted, but I also like this color, so it's fine. A lot of people were asking if it had any color transfer due to the lining, and no, it didn't. It just, you know, stayed just the way it is. Absolutely love it. But yeah, this is the purse. So as you guys can see in here, it is packed to the top. So let me tell you guys what fits inside. That way you guys can kind of get an idea. Now, I am a mom of 3, so I do carry a lot of things in here. And like I said, I use this every single day for work and just to go out. So the first thing I have in here, obviously, is a pair of extra clothes for my son. I also have, what's this? A lip gloss. This is from Ofra. And then I also have another one from Buxom. I also have my phone charger. Can't leave without that. I also have some Sartec. I need this every single day for my allergies. Also inside, oh my gosh, more pills. This here is for my hair. As you can see, I cut my hair super short because I just wanted to get rid of all like the dead ends that I had. It was just so unhealthy. I needed to like cut it off. So I got about like 10 inches cut off, which was like a lot, but I actually like my hair like this, but I definitely wanted to grow back healthier. So I started taking these again. These are the Hairfinity capsules. I took these about a year ago, and they definitely worked so well, so I got another bottle. Definitely love those. I also have this little pouch in here that has just a little bit more makeup. This here I got at Sephora, and I have this NARS lip gloss, which I really love. The colors are beautiful. And I also have this really cute compact mirror, and look at that. It shakes, and it's so pretty. Love it. It's like double-sided. My son actually chose this out for me the day that we went to Marshall's. I also have some children's ibuprofen. Can't leave the house without that. Some eye drops. I also have this gorgeous translucent face powder from Anna Sui, and look how gorgeous this is. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. This here was actually sent out to me from Anna Sui and Oaktolly. They sent it out so I could try it, but I've been loving this thing, you guys. It just brightens up that under eye area so nicely. It sets your concealer and it just makes your foundation look like really, really pretty. The inside is absolutely gorgeous. It has like little seashells. It is matte, so there is no shimmer to it, which I also love, but definitely love it. The packaging is gorgeous, you guys. I also have my hairbrush, and I have this little wristlet that I use as my wallet. This is also a Louis Vuitton, and I love this thing, you guys. I use this as a wallet, I use it as a wristlet, and I even use it as a little crossbody purse. And the way that I use it is I take my strap from my Neo Noe and I hook it onto this side and then this side, and it's like such a cute little crossbody. I'll attach a little video picture there so you guys can see how cute it looks. This here is so versatile. You can use it in so many different ways, and you can fit so much into this little thing. In here I have like all my credit cards, but I absolutely love this little thing. Also in my purse I have this one here that it came with the Neverfull PM. This is the PM size. As you can see, it has that pink fuchsia color in here. The inside of it is also pink. Beautiful. And to be honest with you guys, I really don't use this as much. I hardly use it. The only thing I keep inside here is like my loyalty cards, like, you know, my CVS card, just like different little cards in here, but I don't even use it. It's just sitting in there. But I think it's beautiful and it's small, it's cute, love it. You can even use this like as a little wristlet if you're going out. I also have a USB flash drive and a Lego guy. I don't even know why I have this in here. I think my son must have stuck it in when I wasn't looking. I have a couple straws. You never know what you might need a straw for. Also inside my purse, I have my planner. This planner here, you guys, I can't live without. I absolutely love it. This here is from personalplanner.com, and this here is like my lifesaver. I write everything inside and it's beautiful. As you can see, it is completely customized. I customized the front. I put a couple pictures of my family and kids with my name. You can customize the back as well. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And one thing I love about these planners is that you can customize them from the inside out. Everything is customizable. So you can customize the front cover and back. You can also choose the color of the ruler. And you can even customize like the front page right here. I decided to just like add a quote. So the inside of my planner has like different color squares. I just decided to do it that way. It kind of stands out more, but you can definitely choose different colors. In the bottom right here, you can choose what you want on the bottom. Mine here has list of the week. To do this week, there is like a blank with lines and then just like for notes. Another thing that I really loved about it is that you can input people's birth dates and anniversaries. So when your planner prints out, it's going to automatically have that person's birthday already printed on your planner. So that way you don't forget. I thought that was like pretty awesome. And it saves it for you. So if you need to reorder again, it will automatically just save those birth dates in there. Also in the back, let me show you guys what it looks like. You can choose like different options for the back. So mine has some coloring pages. It also comes with this double-sided sticker sheet that you can use to decorate your planner. So yeah, it's super cute. It's really awesome. They do have different sizes. I got this size here because it just fits like perfectly in my purse, but they do have like the bigger version. I do have the bigger one, but that one I keep in my desk. This one here I just carry with me everywhere. Now the front part you can customize yourself, or you can choose from other templates. They do have tons of cute templates to choose from, but I thought it was pretty neat. You can get this at personalplanner.com. I'll leave you guys the link in case you guys are wondering. But just a little hint, this will be in my giveaway. You'll be able to create your own. I teamed up with personalplanner.com, and they're going to be giving away one of these personal planners of your choice to one lucky winner. So this will be in my giveaway. Just a little hint for you guys. There's also more, but make sure you guys watch till the end of the video. Also inside I have another lip gloss or lipstick. I have like so many lipsticks in my purse. And then I just have like a couple of receipts. Oh, I also have a thermometer, a hair tie. That was it, you guys. Look at that. It's completely empty. I don't think it's been this empty in so long. But as you can see, the inside is still pretty clean. It's held up pretty well. I try not to put any food or any like pens or anything that might stain it. But overall, I think for using it as a mommy bag, I think it's held up pretty good and it looks actually quite well. Also, the inside has this little like zipper pouch and it's just empty. It does have this little like key ring to clip your keys, which I don't even use, but yeah, that was everything in there. I definitely love my purse. I think this size is just perfect for me. I plan on getting the Damier Azure. I think that one is, the color is just beautiful. Love that color. I might get it maybe next time. So let me give you guys a little close-up on how the purse looks when I carry it. That way you guys can compare the size and see for yourself if it's something that would fit for you. So let me show you guys. Also, in case you guys are wondering, this little cardigan here is from Shop Pink Blush. Isn't this so pretty? It's like perfect for the fall. It has this kind of like crochet style, and I love it because it doesn't go all the way down so you don't overheat. It's just super pretty. I think it's called the oversized cardigan, but look how cute it is, and it's in this beautiful blush pink color. Super pretty. Love it. Look at the back. It's so stylish. So one way you can carry this purse is in the crook of your arm like this. I tend to carry it like this quite a lot, and it's still like a pretty good size. It is empty, so that's why it looks kind of like droopy, but this is what it will look like if you carry it on the crook of your arm. You can also put it all the way to the top. And for me, it is actually comfortable. I like a lot to carry it like this, just because it gives me like hands free. I can do so much more and I just have it in here. Now from my armpit to here, there is still like some space. So there's like about this much left. So there's definitely still lots and lots of room in here. I don't know if I would have the same room if I'm wearing like a winter jacket. Probably not. But for the summertime or just, you know, fall, definitely works. You can also put this inside and just like pull this to make it smaller. I don't tend to do this. Maybe I've done it like a couple times, but I don't know. I just don't really use it like that. You can do that and then do the other side as well. And it would kind of look like this. So it would look smaller, but I always just carry it just the way it is. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that is inside my purse. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down there below what you guys think about this size. Would this be a size that would be good for you guys, or which size do you think would be better? But I love this size for me. I think this size is just perfect. So if you guys want to see what I have for my giveaway, just keep on watching. All the rules and all the details will be down there below in the description bar. I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, love, so here are all the items that you will be getting for my giveaway. Like I mentioned before, you are going to be getting your very own personalized planner. Once the winner is chosen, Personal Planner will send you a code that you can use to get your very own customized planner of your choice. You will also be getting this adorable bow pen, so that way you can write on your new planner. this adorable little dish to put all your jewelry and little cute stuff in your vanity. Also, there is this Spa Life pineapple facial mask, as well as this little frame that says "Let's Stick Together." You will also be getting this collector's edition eyeliner set, and it has 4 brushes to do your eyeliner. It is from Real Techniques, one of my favorite brands. There's also this pink mouse pad and this sleeping eye mask. So these are all the items. I'll make sure I leave you guys the exact rules and details to this giveaway down in the description bar below. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'll leave you guys everything down there below. So that is it for my giveaway.